when was the last time you checked our website? You see, so there's one thing about our website you should know. It's designed and optimized for you to be able to search out and look for whatever you want, or whatever product matches whatever you are searching for. Let me give an example. For instance, you could be looking for something for hypertension, all right? And then all you need to do, because we have so many products on our website, we have over 200 products. So all you need to do when you get on the website, go to the search box, type in hypertension. So it's going to bring out every product that can be used for hypertension. So you click on each product and read the product information for each product, okay? And then based on the information, because I put detailed information on each product, then you now know what is suitable for you based on that information. All right, so that's how you can use our website. So what are you waiting for? Go on the website and search for whatever you want. Is it skin lightening? Is it skin brightening? Is it soap? Is it diabetes? Is it hemorrhoids? Whatever, just type it in and it will bring it out for you.